Hello. Welcome back to Average Joe Mechanic here. We have the 2007 Nissan Titan, the SE version. And what we have now is a hard start. Okay, a hard start. And what I wanted to note real quick here on my dash here, you see that immobilizer? That light is lit up. Most of the time when you see that light lit up, that means the key is not talking uh, to the engine, or the key is not matching up with the transponder to turn the car on. So when you turn that key, it's not going to start. So let me see if I can get it to do it. You see that? As long as that light is red, and it should blink here in a little bit. Let's see if it blinks. Yeah, see it's blinking now, and it's trying to find the key. And I'll do it again. Put it in. I'm going to turn it, and see it's still red. So if I turn the key, it's not going to crank with that light being red. All right, now look on the side here. I have this is an aftermarket key bought on Amazon, so you can go on Amazon and get these cheap keys and fobs on Amazon. And this is the original key that came with the vehicle. Now you can get these keys synced with the vehicle, but sometimes these keys will fall out of sync with the vehicle, and it will not turn off the immobilizer. It'll leave it activated. Okay, so you might need a actual key from the factory of Nissan, or a Nissan made key to get it started. But again, back to this light, you'll see it's blinking, but as long as that light is red when you put the key in the ignition, the vehicle will not start. All right, I got the actual key here, the actual Nissan key, and I'll show you what happens when I put this key in and turn it. That light will go off, and it will crank up, and then it'll also do the same thing with the aftermarket key. But sometimes you have to flip the key left to right to get it to start with the aftermarket key. Okay, and I'll show you that in a second if it'll work like that. So the light is blinking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stick the key in the ignition. I'm gonna turn it. See the lights off, and see it cranked up, no problem, no issues. Those are the seat belt lights that are on right there, and it cranked up with no problem. Okay, now that's with this key. I just started it, tried it with the aftermarket key, and again, that light is blinking. It wouldn't start with this aftermarket key. But I'm going to put the key in here again. If you put it in, I'm going to turn it. See if the light's red. It's not going to crank. So I'm going to take the key out, flip it over, put it back in again, try it again. It's still on. So that means this key is not going to work. So it's not the actual key itself. It's the transponder. And again, I'm going to take my actual dealer key. I'm going to put that key in. I'm going to turn it, and it cranked right up. You see that? So again, it could be a faulty immobilizer in here that needs to be replaced, or the key, the aftermarket key, is just not syncing with the vehicle long enough to drive it. And I actually had it started with the aftermarket key here. I'm gonna see if I can get that to work, because I did it once or twice and it let me do it. It won't let me do it there. I'll flip the key over. I'll do it again. It won't do it again. So let me give me a second, let it wait, and I'll put the key in. I'm gonna turn it. Give it a couple seconds. Let's see if that light goes off. It's not off. Do it again. You got like 2 seconds. If it doesn't happen in 2 seconds, it's not gonna happen. One more time here. Hopefully it didn't lock my ignition. See, it will not start. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can trick it. I'm gonna go back with the actual Nissan key. Again, put that key in, turn it, it's lit up, and it starts every single time. And again, that aftermarket key, I just had it running with that key, and then all of a sudden it stopped running, and that was the problem. So if you're having a hard start with the Nissan Titan, it's likely the key that you have. You might have an aftermarket key, and you may need to get an actual key from the dealership, or an actual Nissan key to get it started. And that's how you check that out. And one other thing you'll note, that if it's not starting, normally you'll get a code, some codes down here. A check engine light comes on. But with this that key immobilizer, it doesn't give you actual code, or not all the time. So it's kind of hard to chase around and find out why the vehicle's not starting. So for one thing, it could be the actual ignition itself, or the actual ignition switch that's behind here that needs to be replaced, or it could be a blown fuse. So unless you get codes that tell you that, you want to check these things first. You want to check that. You want to check this and check the it's under here. Actually, matter of fact, under here, the actual switch, ignition switch, that goes bad as well. So check those things out first before chasing it all around and buying a lot of parts that you don't need. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Nissan Titan 2007 SE version, hard start. The issue was not anything other than just it needed the right key. That's it. So if you buy an aftermarket key on Amazon or wherever you buy these keys from, make sure these keys match up. And even when they're synced into the vehicle, you need to drive it with this key in. And once you drive it a little bit, this key will sync. I tried that, but I think I need a whole new key. And at the same time, I'm going to get a new immobilizer, not transponder, immobilizer, and see if that will help solve the issue. Because like I said, that key will sometimes start it, and then like right now, it's giving me a hard time with not starting. Let's try one more time here. Nope, it will not start it, and that was the issue. All right. Any questions, any comments, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.